Check, baby, check. 1, 2.
6, 7.
Yeah. Okay.
Matt is back for a short period of time, and we get to come and look at a couple houses that we have not seen yet. So we bought these,
this is
closed on them, and we get to go see what we bought.
All I see are house numbers. I find the money, we close on them, and then I tell Don, hey, Don, we got another house. And he's like, cool, where's it at? And so here it is. So we are...
He's a Butte Clark.
What do I call this one? I call this one 1008 64th Street, or in other words, our code name is, job name is Whitecaps. So we are in the lovely neighborhood of Whitecaps, and it is generally a now considered older neighborhood, but this is kind of fun when it's the first time that Don and I have actually seen the house or been in the house, and our own we've got our own lockbox on it. Man, I really should have shaved before. I brought my razor with, but
Well, let me try
I wonder,
8 keys that are in here.
maybe you think Jay can you think he can do that thing with the A1 where the A1 takes the beard off?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Do that.
Yeah, A1 can do anything nowadays, I've heard. So, hello, housekeeping. Anybody home? Bro, we've done this house like...
No one better be here.
We've done this house like 8 times. This is the same exact layout in
it is, isn't it?
in the entire neighborhood. Look at same exact chair molding on the wall there. You got all the chair rail, the cute little weird frame. Same kitchen. Oh my goodness.
It's exactly the same.
And it's
Look at that
oh, hold on. Get the
Oh, wait, there's water all over here.
Ah, crap.
Fridge is leaking.
Fridge. Dang it. All right.
But look at that stove.
Let me switch
The
us around here.
grease.
Okay. Now
It's
this
glistening.
is this is some heavy
a
cooking
lot
that
of
I don't know if we
grease.
can capture it in this, but it is horribly, like, you can't even touch a burner handle. I mean, that is
my goodness.
horrible. Like, and something's leaking real bad because
Yeah.
we have water everywhere. So somebody thought it was a great idea to put all this awesome wainscoting and the beadboard paneling up, and it was their pet project over the weekend, and it looks horrible, and we have to tear it all out. We're not even going to paint that. So we've got some rough stuff. You see in the back, you see the deck is shot, as most of them are out here. They're less than 18 inches off the ground, so there's no railings. But man, this is the. I feel like we're getting a little bored because this is the same exact house that we've
I'm
done.
always hesitant to go in a basement when the lock is
Oh yeah, the lock is
up
in.
here, because then it's like,
So
what are we gonna find?
What are they keeping in there? Like
That's exactly the
I mean,
thought.
I understand if there's kids that you don't want to reach the lock, but nowadays there's also other reasons for keeping things in the basement. See, the best part of this is I just send Don first, and then
Because Don's not afraid.
any attacks that come.
Same basement, same everything.
Are we leaking from the floor down, or is it just
I think
it's on the
either
vinyl?
the ice maker or something here. So,
All right.
and the lights. Ugh.
I was going to try to scare you there, but oh, it's calling my phone too. Should we do a live marketing call? Get it quick. All right, here we go. Marketing.
Forwarded call from Profit Dial. Please press the number 9 to accept the call.
And speaker.
Connecting call.
So for Real Estate Solutions, this is Don. How may I help you?
Ooh, that's really good.
Hi, good morning, Don. Found your name for your company on the internet. I'm curious. And it looks like from what I was reading there, you buy houses in Stevens Point.
Yeah, we buy all over the place. Yeah.
Okay, where are you located?
We are actually in Kenosha, Wisconsin, so southeastern Wisconsin.
Okay.
But we just had, one of our team members were up yesterday
Sun Prairie.
in Sun Prairie. So, I mean, we're kind of all over.
All over the place. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I was interested to see what your company does and a little bit more. The reason I'm calling is my father's elderly.
Okay.
He has a house in Stevens Point that he's no longer living in. So it's been been empty for a while. So it's obviously it's in very rough shape.
Sure.
So I don't know. It's not in a condition that we would hire a realtor and put it on the market.
Okay.
But I understood companies like yourselves will look at and buy homes practically in any condition
Yes, sir.
to do with it what you can.
Yep.
So this may be a prospect for that. I'm not certain yet. But I'm just trying to find out because I've never done anything like this before.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about your company and this process if we were to try to do something.
Absolutely. So again, my name is Don. I'm one of the actual owners. It just happened to be available here to pick up a call, so I was able to answer. And a lot of times you'll talk with Dustin or Mark, who work with us in our acquisition side of things. But what we do as a company, so my partner and I have been doing real estate for over 20 years. And do this exact thing. So we buy distressed properties cash as is. We cater every property differently and customize it to what the seller's needs and wants are. So if it's something that someone needs, they want to maximize their dollar, but they don't care about time or convenience, or if someone wants to maximize like speed, like, hey, I need to get this done ASAP, then obviously other, price and, will sacrifice. If someone wants something really convenient, but a good price, then, then time can be sacrificed. So it just all depends on what exactly it is that you're looking for. In a perfect world, you don't get to have everything, but we try to give as much as we can. So we're very family orientated, run business, and we are try to operate in the the highest level of integrity as well as respect for the seller, and looking out for a situation that ultimately is a win-win.